Hello again and welcome back to the Home Bartender. My name is Anne. Today we are going to make an easy rum cocktail. It's perfect for this time of year, so stay tuned for the Honeysuckle. We're going to give you the ingredients coming up next. You will need 2 ounces of Angostura rum, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup, 1 to 2 dashes of Angostura Orange Bitters, and we're going to garnish with a dehydrated lime wheel today. Okay, let's mix this cocktail. I follow the Angostura page on Instagram, and that is where I found this cocktail, so let's get shaken. So we have 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup and 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and then we have 2 ounces of rum. And we're going to get 2 dashes of orange bitters in there. And then let's get some ice in there and shake this baby. Okay. Let's get this into our coupe. Then I'm going to garnish with a lime wheel. Now you could drop this on the top, but it's a small little coupe, so I'm going to put it on the side with a little clip. And there is the Honeysuckle cocktail. All right, let's try this cocktail. Ooh. I don't find that this has a really strong rum flavor, and I'm sure that has to do with the Angostura rum. It's like a riff on the bee's knees. The honey is very dominant, and the lime sort of lingers on the back of your tongue or the back of your throat because it's kind of tart. I'm only now just sort of slowly starting to enjoy honey cocktails because I don't really like honey that much, but this does follow the guidelines of the bee's knees or even the business, which I have a video for and you can watch. It's honey forward and sweet, but it's not like overwhelming, and it doesn't have an overwhelming through the nose alcohol element either. It's really smooth actually. It's a really easy cocktail to make in my opinion, but I'd like to hear your opinion. Make it and let me know what you think in the comments, and I will answer you back. That's all for today. Please tell your friends about my channel. You can really make a difference for the channel that way. So see you next week for another great cocktail tutorial. Be well.